Children, I will start the chapter 8 of your book, Introduction to the Trigonometry. Now, trigonometric ratios. This is a new chapter for you. So, what is a trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of the angles and the problems allied with the angles. Now, I will start with trigonometric ratios of an acute angle of a right triangle. For this, you consider a right triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A, let angle A is equal to theta be a acute angle. Okay, let this base AB be equal to x units. This BC perpendicular BC equal to y unit, and hypotenuse AC is equal to r unit. Now, for this angle A, angle opposite this BC side will be perpendicular and AB side will be the base. For this acute angle C, base will be the side BC and AB will be the perpendicular. Now, consider this right triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let angle A is equal to theta be an acute angle. Let the base AB is equal to x unit. Let the perpendicular BC equal to y unit. Let the hypotenuse AC equal to r unit. Now, we will define the following trigonometric ratios as what is sin theta? Sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equal to y upon r. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is the base? Base is x, x upon r. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is y, base is x. So, tan theta will be equal to y upon x. Now, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So, it will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse in the figure is r, perpendicular is y. So, cosec theta is equal to r upon y. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So, that is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse in the figure is r, base is x. So, sec theta will be equal to r upon x. Now, what is the cot theta? Cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Base is x, x upon y. So, here you can learn these trigonometric ratios by this method. You can write it as P, B, P, H, H, B, S, C, T. Here you can make one formula. Pandit, Badri, Prashad, Hari, Hari, Bole, Sona, Chandi, Tole. What does it mean? S here stands for sin theta. Sin theta is equal to P upon H. C here stands for cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. T here stands for tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now, in this way you can learn these trigonometric ratios. And once again you will remember that for this acute angle A, base will be the side AB, perpendicular will be the side BC, and for this acute angle C, base will be BC and the perpendicular will be AB. So, once again I am revising trigonometric ratios of an acute angle of right triangle. You take one right triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let angle A is equal to theta be any acute angle. Let the base AB is equal to x unit. Let the perpendicular BC is equal to y unit. Let the hypotenuse AC is equal to r unit. Now, we will define the trigonometric ratios in the following manner. Sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular in the figure is y, y upon r. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is x, hypotenuse is r. So, cos theta will be equal to x upon r. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So, that is equal to y upon x. Now, cosec theta, it is the reciprocal of sin theta. So, that is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So, that is equal to r upon y. Sec theta, it is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is r, base is x. So, it is equal to r upon x. Cot theta, it is equal to base upon perpendicular, that is equal to base is x, perpendicular is y, so that is equal to x upon y. Now the reciprocal relations are, what is cosec theta? It is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta, it is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta, it is equal to 1 upon tan theta. And you just make one formula like this, P B P up H H B S C T. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरी हरी बोले, सोना चांदी तोले.